Hi, my name is Tito, and welcome to Oil Hacks, the show where we take ordinary essential oils and show you how to do extraordinary things with them. We've got great hacks for you today, so let's get started. Are you looking for an all-natural, non-chemical way to clean your windows and mirrors? Well, here's the hack. Take 10 drops of wild orange essential oil. Add it to a glass spray bottle filled with distilled water and white vinegar, 1/3 cup. Spray it on the surface, wipe it away, and then look at yourself and say, you did it. Are you looking to up your skincare game? Well, here's the hack. Take your favorite facial cleanser, and I've been doing this for a little while and it seems to be working for me. Add a few drops of Niaouli oil, mix it in, rub it on, wash it off, and bam, my face is glowing. Our next hack comes from Stacy F., one of our fantastic Facebook followers, and here's the hack. Take 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus oil, or really any one of your favorite oils, add it to some baking soda, mix it up, and then sprinkle it onto any rug or carpet or basically anywhere that's got a little bit of a funky smell on it. And if you're a pet owner like me, you might really love this so that your house does not smell like corn chips. Then vacuum it up. So fresh! Got an oil hack you'd like us to try? Simply leave it in the comments below and maybe it will be featured on our next episode. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.